Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to choose the best Clickbank product to promote in 2020. And if you stick around until the end, I'm going to give you a product that I have promoted that doesn't even follow these rules that I've made over $1,000 with and made several sales. It's an excellent product and people actually get results with it. So Clickbank, if you don't know, is a free site where you can go and get affiliate offers and promote them and earn commissions. And you can get paid every 2 weeks. I get paid by a paycheck in the mail. You can see there's some of my paychecks. They're not that big, but every 2 weeks I wouldn't mind getting $500, $200, $200, $150. You know, some weeks they're not that much, but it is an extra stream of income that is very nice. So again, we're going to talk about how to choose the best product to promote in 2020. I'm going to give you some rules. These are not hard and fast, but these are just some guidelines. The best categories to promote are relationships, wealth, and health. Those are the three categories that people have the most problems with, so you're going to be able to solve problems for them in those three categories. So you're going to go to Clickbank Marketplace and click on search just to see like what is the most popular products that are selling right now on Clickbank, and you can see, you know, if they fall into one of those three categories. This one here, Leptotox, is the highest, or the most popular. They're selling the most of this product because the gravity is 417, so it's really selling well. And the average sale is $63, so that's really good. Cinderella Solution is the second one. Clickbank University, that's in the wealth category, and that is selling very well also, and it does have a recurring commissions. You can see right here, recurring billing. There's one on diabetes, woodworking. Organifi is in health, and there's some on relationships as well, Fat Belly Fix. So that's the first thing you can do, is just see what is the highest, the most popular product, and you can search by that, but then you can also search by gravity to see how many are selling. We're in just the whole marketplace. We're not in any particular category, but that is going to be the highest. This is probably going to come out very similar. But if we go back and just go to like e-business and e-marketing, you again can sort by popularity. This one is a very good product, the 12-minute affiliate system, and it does have recurring commissions as well. I would recommend this product here. Clickbank University is excellent as well. This is a new one here, 1K a day. I believe I haven't done a review on that one, but I have done product reviews on hundreds of Clickbank products. I'll leave a link to the playlist of my reviews in the description below this video. You can check it out, but there's many products in here that are not worth promoting, and I know there's a lot of marketers out there that they don't even care what the product is. They just promote it because it's selling well and they're going to make some money, and I don't personally believe in that. I like to promote something that I know people are going to benefit from and actually make money with, and it's going to improve their life, like Clickbank University, 12-minute affiliate system. That's a really good one to promote as well. So you can either go again to just the marketplace and click search, or you can search by gravity or popularity. As a general rule, you want the gravity to be above 40 because that means it's selling. That's the number of affiliates who have sold the product within the last 12 weeks. So that's something good to go by, but I'm going to share with you at the end here a product that I've promoted that I've sold the most of actually, and the gravity score is very low. And it could work to your advantage because not a lot of people have seen it. You know, if someone has seen Clickbank University or the 12-minute affiliate, they've already seen it a lot, then it's not anything new. So these rules are not hard and fast, but make sure that the sales video is good and there are good affiliate marketing materials, because you can look at a sales video and some of them are just so hypey, and there's fake testimonials, paid actors, and that's just not something that people, I mean, some people may buy it, but then when they get in there and they see how poor the product is, they're not going to keep it. They're going to refund. And so then you've wasted all your efforts anyway. And if the marketing materials are good, then it's going to be easier to market it, obviously. And you're going to go to, like this one here, the 12-minute affiliate system has really, really good marketing materials. I think he has a webinar, yeah, that you send people to. And this is Devon, trying to think of his last name. He's an excellent marketer, and this is a very good product, but again, there's some of these in here that are not good at all. But you have to look at their affiliate page, look at the sales page. I recommend buying the product and actually going through it and making sure it's good before you promote it, just because, again, I don't like to promote something that is just total garbage and then just to make money. And if you can, look for recurring commissions, because then you're just doing it, you know, you're making a sale once and you continue to earn every month, just like the 12-minute affiliate system. That is recurring. And if you want to go and look at some other things about Clickbank, go to cbengine.com, and you can see when you come in here, you can find the new products. So if you were the first one to do a product review on a Clickbank product that just came out and people were looking for that review and you come up #1 in the search engine, then you can make some sales that way. I also recommend like offering bonuses and just doing a honest review of the product, going through the product and talking about the pros and the cons. You can look at them by gravity. You can look at the reviews of them. You can find the products that have recurring incomes, recurring billing. So this is a really great website to go to get even more information on how to find a good product to promote. But I'll tell you now the product that I've had really good success promoting, and this is in the e-business and e-marketing. It's called the Passive Affiliate System, and I've talked about this in some of my other videos, but I can't stress enough to you how much I believe in this product. Now, he doesn't have any marketing materials other than the webinar, which is this right here. It's Andy Heffel, How to Make a Full-Time Income on YouTube Without Making Videos. And when I did a review on this, I had to buy the product because it was just that good. I mean, this webinar is really high converting, excuse me, because a lot of people that watch it do end up purchasing the product, which is $297. That's a great price point because it's not too high for a lot of people. It's not recurring. There's no upsells at all in the sales video, and well, at the end of the webinar, there's no upsells. And also, your commissions on this are $136. So, but what I love about it is people get into the Facebook group. The Facebook group is excellent. Andy he's active in there. So it's not just like a Clickbank product where, you know, there's no support whatsoever, which a lot of them are like that. He's in there. He actually reviews people's YouTube channels. That's all in the resources in there. So you can, if you're having a hard time growing your YouTube channel, you can see from his examples like what people are doing wrong so you can correct yours. And he teaches you how to sell affiliate products, how to get your subscribers from 0 to 1,000 in little as 30 days, and how to make viral videos without showing your face, because a lot of people don't want to show their face. So I think that's why this converts so well, and also you can outsource it, and a lot of people don't want to spend the time, so it just appeals to a lot of people because a lot of people are like, oh, I don't want to do YouTube, but this kind of takes away all the excuses because you don't have to show your face. You don't even have to do the work if you don't want to. You can outsource it all. Of course, you have to learn what you're doing first. And so I think it does appeal to a lot of people, but you can see that the gravity here is 1.95. So I just happened to stumble upon this when I was looking for products to review on YouTube, and I found this, and I was just totally blown away. Now, my sales here, this isn't even all the sales. I don't know why, but 2 of them didn't show up or report in here, but I actually got paid for them. So I've made over $1,000 with this passive affiliate system. And so these rules are not, like I said, hard and fast, but I did want to share this with you in case you want to promote it. But I would recommend get on this webinar and see what he's talking about, because you can learn all kinds of things about YouTube. And that's, I think, where people go wrong, is they find a ClickBank product that is good to promote, but then they don't make any money because they don't know how to market. And I think YouTube is the best way. If you master one traffic strategy, you can sell anything. And you need to stick with one strategy until you master it. And then, like I said, you can sell any ClickBank product. All of my sales have been from free marketing through YouTube or marketing to my list. So I recommend, again, go through this and see what he has to say. But if you find a good ClickBank product and you want to promote it, I think YouTube is the best way to do that. And so you could find like the super affiliate system, promote that. You can put it as your #1 recommendation in the description below your video. People check that out, they watch the webinar, and they join that way. So these are just some tips for you to find high converting offers to promote in 2020. And I hope you guys found some value from this. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. Also, leave in the comments below like any ClickBank products that you've promoted that you've gotten really good results with, so other people can know. Because like I said, that one didn't have a good gravity, but that's the one that I've sold the most of. That one, and also Overnight Millionaire. I've done a review on that, and I've sold a lot of that product. That's a really high quality product as well. Now I have had quite a few chargebacks on that, so they do some. Let me see here. This one. Anyway, there's a lot of refunds. That's the word I'm trying to think of. A lot of refunds on the Overnight Millionaire, although I have gotten a lot of sales. But this one here, I've gotten 0 refunds because it is that high quality. And like I said, Andy's in there giving you support. And that, to me, he doesn't charge you monthly to do that. And I think that's pretty incredible. So if you guys have any questions, like I said, go ahead, leave them in the comments below. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. Also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. And if you want to hop on this webinar right here, that'll be the second link in the description below the video. With that being said, this is Karen Mara signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.